back to the channel. So today we got another wig. Yeah. Today's wig is going to be from the Melted Hairline. You guys already know this, like my favorite. So the wig we have today is going to be Rafaella. I know she has been reviewed a couple times here on the YT, but I have not reviewed her, so there you have it. So I have it in the color DR2. I think it's blonde brown sugar. That's a mouthful. The color is pretty. Okay, just looking in here, the color pretty. All I remember about this wig is that this wig is pretty long. This wig was sent to us from Sam's Beauty, so yeah, that's pretty much all I remember about this wig. So I'm sure some people may run from it and be like, oh no girl, I can't wear a wig that long. But you know, you can always cut it. You can always cut it, and you can always customize it, and that's what makes these wigs great anyway, is the customization. So I'm gonna say right away, I love this color up in here. I love it. It's really pretty. Dark root on this is nice. Now the dark root almost looks like a 2, but it looks like it has a little bit of red in it. I'm not sure if that's just because of the way these streaks come out. The hairline on this is kind of thick. I'm sure once you lay it down, it probably will look better. Is it a middle part? Yeah, it is a middle part. Let's make sure you couldn't part it anywhere. So it is a middle part. Lace on this is normal. It comes in some really pretty colors, you guys. Y'all know Melted Hairline is just the business for me. I mean, it's everything. So let's go ahead on and let's get her on. Okay guys, so let's get into it. Obviously this wig is super long, but I love the color and I love the dark root, so I say yes to that. So this wig comes with a strap inside, and then you get adjustable straps in the back, and you get your combs. It's normal cap construction for the Melted Hairline. Just in case you're not familiar with it, it does have a band in there, but that band is not adjustable. So there you go. Today we're just gonna do this like a throw and go, because it can be a throw and go. I would not be gluing this down too much because I wouldn't wear it for a long length of time. As you guys can see, if you go in and do something with the hairline, you really can make it your own. Like I said, you can just go in and part it in the front and just do maybe some small plucking. What I'm going to do here is I'm just going to take a couple of hairs out, baby hairs, edges, whatever you want to call them, and I'm going to put them on the side. I'm also going to put them around the parting area. Parting area on this is really good. I took out a couple pieces and I went in and cut it, and then like I said, I just laid those down around that parting area. You can spray this whole wig down, obviously. I only did it where you're going to see it, and then I left those edges up. They will lay down as you're going to see when I'm wearing the wig because of the weight of the curls. So putting a little bit of powder as my normal in that parting area, and putting it around the hairline where you're going to see it just a little bit, really just for pictures, because if I was to wear this, y'all know I would have to lay it down a little bit better than this. But this would do, again, for a throw and go. All in all, you guys, I like her. Look how long she is. She's serving. She's serving. So stay tuned for my pros and my cons. Okay guys, so this is pretty much the final look for this wig, and it's super cute. Again, it can be another throw and go. It's a middle part. You get that band in there, and all you have to do is work with the front a little bit. As you can see, I just did a couple baby hairs around the sides. This here, you can lay it down, and the good thing about the Melted Hairline is obviously you can like meld it to the gods, and you can really get, you know, a really flawless look with it, especially if you go in and part it on the hairline, pluck it just a little bit, you know, and then lay some hairs down. It looks really good. Use your hot comb to, you know, make it go back. Y'all know when I want to melt, I'll melt, but like I said, this here is just like a good throw and go. You get that middle part and just work it up in here, and then, you know, it's a nice wig for a night out. Now it is a lot of hair. If you want to, you can cut it up to this first layer with some thinning shears, or you can cut it up to this layer. But I feel like for like a night out, this wig would be really pretty. She will be, you know, a little showstopper with you, a nice little bodycon dress on, and this wig, I feel like, yes girl, she is cute. Really cute. This almost reminds me of Spanish type hair. The curl pattern that's in here, it's not a wave, it's not a curl, but if you know, like Puerto Rican, like I said, Spanish, you know, it just reminds me of that. You do get a couple different colors in this. You get some darker ones, some lighter ones, you know, some that look more orange, some that look more brown, and they just blended it really seamlessly. So when I pulled that hair out in the front, it did get a little bit of frizz. But other than that, this is really cute. Love this color. Color is super pretty. So yeah, so let me know, would you guys get this one even though it's a lot of hair, you don't wear a lot of hair? Would you say it's birthday hair or just like special occasion hair? Where were girls at that would wear this every day? Would you wear it every day? Anybody who has this curl pattern is all I'm trying to say. I feel like it would be okay because you're used to wearing, you know, longer hair and thicker hair, and you don't have to like do it. Just pull it back in a bun and put this on. Thank y'all so much for watching the video today. I appreciate it. Thanks again to Sam's Beauty for sending this wig over. Again, Outre always makes the best wigs to me. This melted hairline is just everything, you guys. Like, I'm in love with it. I think I love it so much. Even though it is a lot of hair. That's my only disclaimer. It's a lot of hair. So don't forget to subscribe if you have not. If you guys are returning, appreciate you guys coming back. If you guys decide to share this video or any of my videos on social media platform, don't forget to tag me in it. Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, or TikTok. The name is always the same across all social medias, and that is Beauty by Mark. I will see you ladies and gentlemen in my next video. Bye.